parents, do this with your kids. Hi, I'm Miss Ann. I'm a reading specialist, and my YouTube channel is dedicated to giving you tips and tricks to improve your reading and the reading of your children, to let you help your children even more than you already are. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you need any more help, I have live classes on OutSchool. Check the description for a link to my live classes. Our video today is going to talk about letter sounds and doing them correctly.
Parents, so what do struggling readers struggle with the most? Well, early readers, your kindergartners and your first graders that are struggling are going to struggle with this more than anything. They're going to try to sound out each of these letters, and they're going to say p, e, na, pa-enna, pa-enna, pa-enna. That's what they're going to do. That's what it's going to sound like when they sound it out. Why is that happening? Well, because this letter does not make the sound p. It makes the sound p. It's just a puff of air. Our voice is off in our throat. P, p. It's not pa. That's really two sounds. Pa. The reason we do that is to make it louder so that you can hear. So encourage your children, let them know that you can hear them just fine when they say p. They don't need to add that sound onto it. And if you have a learner who does not know their letter sounds yet, make sure you teach them correctly that this is p, e, n, pe, pen, pen. It's going to be much easier for them to sound those words out when they know the correct sound. So let's review those correct sounds today. And for the vowels, we're going to go through vowels. We'll do short and long, okay? So we have a, b, k, s, d, e, d, I, j, oo, ah, o, p, k, r, s, t, u, oo, v, oo. Don't look at that picture. X, E, Z. All right, those are the letter sounds. Let me know if you have any questions. Do that with your kids, and I'll see you tomorrow.